Okay, so step one, of course, is feeding the buckle. You have your tag end and you have your buckle end. Make sure that both are secured to what you're tightening against. And then I like to position the buckle so that the slot in the cylinder here is facing straight out. Feed your tag end in through the buckle and pull it up kind of snug. Now on the handle is a spring actuated release. Oftentimes when you're in this position, you have to release that to bring the handle back down. Close the handle again and start ratcheting. You really don't want to try to break your webbing, just get it good and tight and then fold your buckle down. Now that you have your strap tightened, you've done your trip, you've taken your motorcycle or your ATV to the coast, you got to get it off the trailer. How the heck do we release this thing? Again, a spring actuated release right here in the buckle. You pull that back and you bring the buckle all the way over. Now, did you hear that click? I'll do it again. When you come all the way over, it's going to break the back of the buckle, like that. Now, you can pull on your tag end and either just loosen it or completely remove it from the buckle. So there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of how to have a much better relationship with your ratchet straps. I hope this has helped you. And if you have any other questions, let us know so we can either add it to the video or shoot a whole brand new one.